Hi guys and welcome to Cashorum. This is just a small tutorial video of how to create a thread within the forum. Now this is only for premium members, so if you're not a premium member and you want to post a thread in one of the categories, you must come to upgrade and upgrade your membership. Depending on what services you have to offer. For an example, I'll come to the Cashorum Special Offers, other words CSOs. And let me just show you one here done. So creating your thread, okay, your sales page, you can add graphics, you can add just writing or both. In this case I've used 3 graphics. I had my graphics created, so the header and the main content here, and at the bottom we have a pay now button. Now Warrior Plus, PayPal buttons and JVZoo also work within our systems, or you can just upload an image and link it to your PayPal account, which I've done here. So let me go back and create that thread again so you can actually see what to do. So post a new thread. Okay, let's give it a title. Let's put that in there. Now if you're going to write something in here, obviously title, whichever you want, content, and just the same as any other editor, you can change the font of it. Okay, and you can change also the size. Okay, and if we want to center that, we'll center that one there. We go preview post just to see how it's looking. Okay, so write something there. As for images, the best way to add images in here is actually using URLs, where they're located on a website or whichever. So coming to create, first of all, say a header, we're going to click on this little icon in here. You could upload it from your computer, but again, this is the best way to do it, so please try and do it from a URL. So we need to go and get a URL here within my dashboard to one of my sites, any site. I mean, it doesn't have to be visible on the outcome. Just go to your media and library, okay, and obviously you'd add new to each image, so you'd get a link to where it's being hosted, or come to the front of your page like I've done here, okay, and all you need to do here is right click and copy the URL of the image. So let's come down here. Let me find, okay, maybe this one. Okay, let's go to edit. So I can put this here, okay, select all. Let's copy this back to Cashorum, and we're going to paste that in there. Mind to retrieve remote file. If not, this is going to come up as a miniature. So always unselect this box. Click on OK. Since I've centered the top one, I'm going to center this one as well. There we go. And the same for the sales page. I'll just do one here. Copy the URL. Come back. Again, rinse and repeat. Let's paste that in there. And retrieve OK. Select center. Okay, let's just see how this is looking. There we go. So there is a different header, and here is the contents. So now obviously if I want to add more content or more images or text, I just carry on down the road. As for the PayPal button or the JV button, you'd actually put your code in here, your HTML code in here, and it would appear for JVZoo or for the Warrior Forum. As for this one, if whoever's going to be using an image and attach it to your PayPal, what I want you to do is upload an image with a buy it now. I'm going to come in here and collect the URL. Let's go back here. Okay, let's put that in there. Sorry, done that wrong. So this is coming on now. There we go. From URL, paste, and click OK. So within your PayPal, you're going to come to Merchant Services. Once you're logged in, you're going to click on a standard payment. Standard payment, create one, buy button now. You can also use their default one if you liked. So you'd actually put your product name here. Okay, you'd actually put the price. Remember to change this if it's in dollars or pounds or whichever, euros. Step 3, you want to take them to the URL of your thank you page, a direct download page, squeeze page, whichever you're going to redirect them to. Improcash, nearly couldn't spell, .com / and your say download. Okay, whichever it is. A lot of people don't use download, use like a coded one, so let's just do that. And after that's done, okay, you're going to create the button. Now, like I said, you could use a standard one from PayPal, but this way is much nicer for the threads, and it looks a lot better for your customers when checking out your thread. So let's just copy that back to Cashorum. I am going to select this and I'm going to link it up to the PayPal button. Remind, this is an email, not the website. It has to be email. And then again, I'm going to center. That's all I'm going to do, and I'm going to preview post just to make sure everything's okay. Nice, and PayPal button. Right. After you've done this, you must submit the new thread, and admin will approve you, and just follow the instructions.